Good afternoon. Oh, back at the shed. Thanks so much for all your comments. I kind of went a little bit crazy with regards to the the metal clips that I didn't realise I should take off, not take off. You got to just imagine pond plants, absolutely new to me. Never in my life had I handled a hornwort before. The other day I had no idea that these act as weights in the pond, but I put them back on, which is great. All is not lost. And the company said that because it's frost hardy, that's why it was sent out at the point of ordering. It didn't. And the lady was lovely. She said it doesn't need to, just put it in the pond. It will recover. This one, the water hawthorn. She said that will recover, so I'm going to put it in now. So let's get to the pond and put these in, and then we can kind of forget about them for a bit and crack on with other stuff. See you at the pond. I'm just going to throw the hornwort in first. Watch it sink. It all makes sense now. That's brilliant, it really is. Okay, this is going to place this in right in the deepest bit. Hold up. I think I might put it on that level first. Well, I hope it recovers. I'm sure it will. I've got my eye on more plants from the same website, some more frog friendly that I hope to get next time funds allow. Just get this water in there, doesn't it? Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, let's get back to the shed because I've got other things to do shed wise. Right. Well, I've been a bit busy. Did you remember the sweet peas I sowed at home on the last vlog? Some of you might have caught that. I've resown them because the compost I had at home was not for repotting, seedlings and all that kind of stuff. So, and toilet rolls, I kind of gathered, I raided my recycling and got all these. So the sweet peas are in here now, and hopefully, touch wood, they work. So I'm just going to leave them on a windowsill. I need a coffee. And I've had more germination. I actually only sowed these. I can't say that it's they're a type of climbing bean. I'm not sure if you're picking up the name, probably not, but they've germinated, so I need to sow them, and they took 2 days. So climbing beans are quick, and I really had no luck germinating climbing beans, so it's going to be fun to kind of grow them on. Hopefully they work. So yeah, let's have a look at those. I just need a coffee. No, I'm not sure if you can see this. Let's put some light on that. So they've germinated, which is fantastic. Also, that solar panel, it's actually working. I'll show you in a minute. We'll go outside, but my phone's charging. It's brilliant. And you're right, someone said you don't need full sunshine. I think it's just because it had been in the packaging, in transit. So, but I put it outside and it's charging my phone. Flipping fantastic, very handy, because I do need my phone. And sometimes I've come here when it's quite low. Oh, hold on, sorry, slurp. Oh, lovely. Right. Oh, and I also brought a little watering can from home. It's got the holes in the lid. So yeah, fantastic ideas. I love the comment section for that. Absolutely spot on. What am I after? Oh yeah, here we are. Oh, just for the climbing beans, to get them in there. How many do I actually have? Oh, where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? Oh. Right, how many do we actually have? That's actually germinated. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 have germinated out of that lot, so that'll do. Get these on the tray. I might write climbing beans on the actual thing and the date, which is 18th. Right, saves a thingy. I don't actually, I've run out of the plastic ones, I can't remember whatever you call them. But with the sweet peas as well, the same thing. Hopefully that will stay there. Right, let's fill these up. Right, cool. That's cool. In fact, let's get these a little bit closer to the window. Right, fab, fab, fab. Come and have a look at the charge. Don't know if you can see the charging emblem, but it's charging. Right, I'm weeding because I want to get this area ready. This is where the nets are. Where the climbing beans will go eventually. But oh, it's very busy. So I'm just going to crack on with this. See you on the next one. Bye.